Our Lila Gross joins us live from Tech in downtown Tampa. Good morning, Lila.
Good morning to you both. Virtual reality is an incredible use of technology that you can use to now actually help doctors learn how to train on surgeries in the Tampa Bay area and make healthcare more available. Eric's the founder here of this technology. Can you explain what we're looking at right here?
Yeah, my name is Eric Maltese. I'm the CEO of Tech. What you're looking at right now is a surgeon who's remoting in through a VR headset and observing a surgery from a surgeon and watching them manipulate each of the feeds so that they can learn how to do the surgery.
So we were talking about this. This video is being broadcast from Boston, you said, right?
This is being from Baylor.
Okay, from Baylor. So people in Tampa, a doctor in Tampa, how does this help them?
A doctor in Tampa would have access to unique procedures and surgery so that they can learn to be able to provide better health care in Florida or in other places.
And what's it like when a doctor is able to get this kind of training that they wouldn't otherwise have in a different area?
It's a game changer when it comes to physicians being able to have access to unique procedures and specializations because they're able to provide better outcomes for their patients.
And we were talking earlier about the amount of people that are able to get this kind of health care at a different affordability now because of this.
Yeah, so 60% of Americans don't have access to trauma level 1, and this is directly because of no access to its very specialty locations that would be Harvard, Cleveland Clinic. We all know them, Johns Hopkins, where they have lots of very talented doctors that are localized there, and so places like Lakeland or other places in Florida are not going to have this access. With our technology, a physician can remote in and can learn from these places and these unique procedures that are taking place.
Well, it's some really great piece of technology that is making its way to the Tampa Bay area and making surgery more available to many of our friends in the area. Guys, back to you.
All right, Lila, thank you so much. Very interesting.
Yeah, it really is. A lot of that's coming to the Bay Area. You see more and more of this technology.
Absolutely.